Osiyo, it's how we say hello in Cherokee. I'm your host, Jennifer Lauren, in Moody, Oklahoma, a small, humble community just north of the Cherokee Nation capital of ۞ ឆેરોકી. Cherokee National Treasure Kathy Van Buskirk is renowned for her intricate, colorful basketry. With deep roots at home in the Cherokee Nation, she is committed to family and culture while passing down her knowledge to future generations.
A true Cherokee family to me is you just take care of each other. That's just the way we are, I guess. Now that feel good. Okay. Get your backpack on. All right, let's get around and go then. My name is Kathy Van Buskirk. Right now I am making a basket, which is what I love to do. It's something I've done for 35 years. And we are in Moody, Oklahoma today. It is several miles north of Tahlequah in a small community. My mom and dad were both full-blood Cherokee. They spoke to us that way, so that was our first language. There was 8 of us. So Dad worked, Mom always stayed home and took care of the kids. So I love my family very, very much.
Morning routine right here.
Perry is my husband for 43 years. We have been together. We met when his cousin and my cousin got acquainted and they introduced us. I wasn't so fond of him in the beginning. Just like any family, he was a little bit different than my family. Some of his ways I did not like, but it was almost like it was destined to be together because everywhere I went, he ended up there. The day we got married, nothing fancy, just him and his tank top and me and just my blue shirt that I had. We really enjoy doing what we do and letting people see what we can do. I like to teach the baskets because so many people want to learn. They are not taught everything that it takes to teach the basket. It's a lot of hard work, but anybody can do it. Each and every one of my baskets are different. You'll never find two alike. People seem to really enjoy the basket standing out, and I really do too. I like the brightness of it. Things will come to mind that I have to put into play, like the turtles. Turtles represent a long life. That just kind of stuck with me. And it took me a while to figure out exactly how I wanted to make the turtles, how to make them right. I still learn and do things different, even from that time, and I learned a lot from the Cherokee Heritage Center. Working in the ancient village, a lot of things came into place. The Heritage Center is a place where you could go, and it's a recreation of a Cherokee settlement, a place where you can go and learn about the Trail of Tears, how it was back in the 1700s. From what we were taught at home, our culture, the Heritage Center just kind of put the puzzle together. We have 10.5 acres altogether, and as we were cleaning up and moving in, the next 5 acres right next to us became available. And with our son and his family and us being so close, we said, buy it. Go see if you can buy it. We had a lot of fun, and we still have a lot of fun. But when we lost Chris, there's one missing. Chris was our son that we lost 6.5 years ago. He was our only son. Chris was a very loving person. We don't just sit around and talk about him, but when we do, it's like how much we miss him. It's changed us all. He would want us to move on and be happy, and we know where he's at, where he is, he's good. Which one do you want to open?
This one.
Saint is our grandson that belonged to our daughter. She had him. They couldn't take care of him, so she turned all rights over to us to take care of him. Having him around is almost like, even though you have a purpose, starting over again. So it's like we just have always been there for each other, and that's the closest that we had in our family. All of my grandkids got their Cherokee names. I named them. That's something that's a tradition in our family. Even when they were that little, they were so interested in what I was doing. They wanted to try. And I knew at that age that they were not really capable of it. So I said, here, let's make you a little peace symbol. And it's just like the start of the basket. It means a lot to me that they want to learn and have learned and know probably more than most kids will ever know about their culture. I am very proud to be Cherokee. That's how God made me to be. The closeness Cherokee people have together. They enjoy being around each other. They enjoy doing things together and getting together. You know, it doesn't matter to most Cherokee that I know whether you have a big house or a little house. You're who you are, and being the family is what matters.